What's going on, everyone? We don't say this often. In fact, we've never said this before, but welcome to the highest penthouse in Cape Town. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Let's Prop In. If this is your first time here on this channel, I go in the name of Spacious. What we do on this channel is that we explore and showcase some of the most incredible homes in and around South Africa. Today we have a very special episode for you guys. We are at 16 on Bree, an FWJK development in Cape Town. We're looking at the highest penthouse in the entire of Cape Town. The views here are breathtaking. This penthouse is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and the roof's 262 square meters of floor area, currently listed for 36 million rand. If you're looking for more details around this property, we'll leave our email address down in the description. Feel free to reach out and inquire. This is an incredible penthouse, elegant and modern, situated in a very prime location. This is central Cape Town with incredible amenities. We thought about starting the tour on this exact spot just to give you guys a little bit of context in terms of where we are situated. This property, or this penthouse rather, is nicely situated on the 36th and 37th floor. It occupies 2 floors in this building. Currently we're on the 37th floor, 2 different floors of living space, and from here you can see these incredible unparalleled views of the entire Cape Town landscape. I'll break down some of the locations for you guys. As you have, these are very unique views. Now, we've never seen any property that has this amount of views in terms of all the different areas that you can see from one spot.
Definitely not in the city. I mean, we all know about Lion's Head, Signal Hill, all the names that we see, but not once have we seen them all together.
And here you have literally 360-degree views. So just starting this side, just to set the scene, in front of us you have the entire Greenpoint area, Greenpoint Stadium just in front of you. So after the Boks have played a game, you're conveniently located in the central of Cape Town just to come back home. Waterfront, walking distance. You're so conveniently located here where everything is in a sort of a stone throw away. Then we look this side in front of us, walk up. If you guys have seen some of our older videos, you would have noticed that 117 on Strand, we did one of those penthouses there, I think a year or 2 ago. Beautiful penthouse, but from here it looks even more sort of minute from here. As we look at these unparalleled vistas, you have these perfect views of Table Mountain, Lion's Head, this mountain range on this day. It's currently winter today, so this type of weather is such a blessing. Then we come this side, and here you have this entire Cape Town CBD landscape. You are conveniently located within a commerce and creativity hub where some of the biggest corporate companies are situated in and around this space. You have F&B just across the road, Investec diagonally, SARS, Media 24. If you are working in one of those companies, sort of as in the C-suite, this is a perfect apartment for you just to walk downstairs to your workplace. I can imagine nothing more convenient than that. This is also suited if you are working from home. Maybe you are management team of a software company, tech company and you often work from home, and then something that you need is amenities in a walking distance, here you have a plethora of amenities, dining options, bars, restaurants. You have everything literally downstairs. Leading you guys this side, just touching on a few details on this penthouse. Looking at my left, you have this bespoke rooftop bar, very intricate design here. You have this very beautiful herringbone design pattern to this tiling. This pattern sort of ties in with another pattern which we'll see downstairs, even with the color, very cool. And you have this pergola design, steel pergola design above us, just to block you from that harsh sunlight. And then I really love that mirror finish, just bouncing off these incredible views, giving you an added view to look at while you're outside here entertaining people. One thing that is in abundance in this penthouse is entertainment space, as you'll see as we walk you guys throughout this entire space. As we come this side of this entire deck, we'll see greater views of the Greenpoint space, Greenpoint Stadium, ocean views, and in front of us, the harbor. This is a very dynamic view, as you guys will see. And if you look in front of us, there's a lot of current construction happening in and around Cape Town, a lot of development happening in and around the space, and it's very exciting to see a lot of international people coming in, visiting, further adding to that cosmopolitan lifestyle that the city already has. Taking this spiraling staircase downstairs, as we come down these spiraling steel staircases and looking at this incredible view. But before we get to the view, trust me, we will get there. Just looking at this entire space here, one thing I just wanted to point out, a very cool detail are these tiles here, tying in with that bespoke bar we saw upstairs, but also interestingly enough, tying in with the color palette that's used for this F&B building across the road there. Just a cool detail that they have. And in terms of this entire building, you'll see with the external facade, specifically on the ground level, the developer of this entire development did want to pay homage to the heritage grading of the HHO and the Felderman buildings on the site, which is very cool to see. But looking at the space here, it's very cozy. As you seated here, you have these incredible views, and I love the fact that you have the see-through glass wrapping around this entire space, giving you these endless views. We've seen views on this channel, we've seen ocean views, we've seen mountain views, but nothing quite like this before. And then in front of us, we have this very cool and cozy gas fireplace. When you do have people over, this is a very intimate setting, just to light up the fire and get things going. Taking everyone this side, this entire rooftop, this is the 36th floor of this penthouse. It stretches the entire length of this floor. Looking above us, you have this very beautiful exclusive pool that's only exclusive for this penthouse. In this development, you do have a communal pool downstairs, which is accessible to everyone. This development does have beautiful, luxurious units from studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and 3 bedrooms. If those options are more suited to your needs, feel free to send us an email, DM us on all our social media platforms. We're more than happy to help you guys out. Then looking at this entire stretch, beautiful pool. As you wake up, you have direct access to this pool. It's slightly elevated, so while you are in the pool, you can take advantage of these entire views. And the nice thing about this pool, because it is elevated, while you're in there, you see nothing except these incredible views. This apartment is so high that you feel as though you are in the clouds. Bringing everyone to this corner and just showing you guys how the views just open up, see-through balustrades throughout, and then you have a secondary outdoor chilling area, very cozy area in this corner. I love the use of greenery throughout this entire rooftop area, just to increase that liveliness and the timeless feel of this external space. Looking to my left, one detail that we did not mention while we're on the 7th floor is this hammock floor. Very cool detail there. While you are lying there at night, you can sort of lie down, have a couple of pillows, and literally look at the stars. I think this is what they speak about when they say living on top of the world, you know?
Exactly.
This is incredible, what the details that you have to this apartment. It's almost indulgence. Looking in front of us, you have this jacuzzi, and this is probably the highest jacuzzi in Cape Town. If anyone knows of a higher jacuzzi in Cape Town, please do comment down below, because I do believe that this is the one. From here, you have views of Table Mountain, Devil's Peak, Lion's Head, Signal Hill, and as the sun is setting, this is a perfect location for your sundowners, having everyone here. So finishing off this entire rooftop area, incredible views, beautiful details from the jacuzzi to the outdoor floor hammock. It's incredible the amenities that you have available exclusively to this penthouse. Now I want to take everyone inside. Joining me on the internal space of this penthouse, as I've said, this penthouse is 262 square meters of indoor space, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The main bedroom is the one that's ensuite. The other bedroom has a separate bathroom which can be used as a guest bathroom. But just speaking about a few details about this entire kitchen space, open plan living to its best. I love the openness, the airy feel of this entire penthouse internally. Floor to ceiling aluminum large windows, which has this very cool effect. It almost feels as though you're wearing sunglasses on the internal space. It has this tinted look to it, blocking that excessive sun from sort of piercing into the internal space, but very light space. Plenty of natural lighting just pouring into this entire great room. And then you have these large window panels just to contemplate these entire views. Just taking everyone this side for a second, you have a separate scullery and a pantry area. This is more of the functional space, fridge space in front of us, plenty of cabinetry space back towards you guys. And one detail which I love is this large picture window. From here you have views of Lion's Head and the entire Bespoke Bar area. I'm sure you guys would have seen there's some magazines about Cape Town. This is a very famous tourist destination. Just to look at those colorful houses in the Bespoke Bar area. Very stunning views that you have from here. And obviously the amount of natural lighting that just comes into the space is incredible. And then in front of us, very sleek and minimalist modern kitchen here. Very neat and contemporary. Cool detail is this pop-up extractor that comes out. If you do sort of switch it on, it immediately comes out, and if you are needing that, immediately there. But if you don't need it, it has the seamless finish towards it. Taking everyone this side to the formal dining space. As we look here, the statement piece here is this very cool contemporary light fixture above us, suspended from the ceiling. You have the slither lighting, bringing that elegance and opulence to this entire space. This is a 6-seater formal dining space. I love the use of glass here as it provides that ease of view, seamless look to this entire space. Again, going with that minimalist approach. Then coming this side, you have this very cozy space here. I love the attention to detail that they did pay in terms of the interior design of this whole penthouse here. It promotes that relaxation and oasis type of feeling when you come back after a long day of working. You can come here, kick back, relax, and just enjoy your favorite shows here. Behind us, you have these very cool artworks here, complemented by this black wall. I love the use of this black wall as it does contrast these lighter tones that you have behind us, and then you have the stark black. And you will have seen throughout this entire wall, you have doors. This is the main entrance door that you'd use coming from the ground floor. No one can come here. You need a special code. So this is a very exclusive penthouse. Then in front of us, you have this beautiful gas fireplace just to make the space a little bit more cozy. By talking about making the space a little bit cozy, you have air conditioning throughout, automated lighting. This is not your typical primary home. This is more of your lock up and go when you are coming in Cape Town for business or meeting up with friends. This is the perfect place to sort of have. Taking everyone down this passageway and just looking at the living or bedroom spaces, I love this beautiful use of timber floors. You have this washed look, almost replicating that sandy look that you have in Cape Town beach spaces. Bringing everyone this side, first bedroom, first detail that you notice about this bedroom are these large sliding doors leading you or giving you direct access to the balcony space. You can honestly wake up from here, open the sliding doors and jump into the pool within 5 steps. But looking at this entire space, very spacious, 2 side tables, and I love this wallpaper that they have here. Very cool gradient that they have, effect here from lighter tones to darker tones, a play of different textures, and then plenty of cabinetry space just behind you guys. And again, with this minimalist look to this entire cabinetry, you have the seamless look to this entire panel. Very cool detail. You have this press to open mechanism for these cabinetry. Each room can control its own aircon settings, which is very much important and useful. Bringing everyone back to the landing, in front of us you have a linen closet, then next to it or adjacent to it, this is the bathroom that you'd use for that bedroom, but it can also be used as a guest bathroom. Just touching on a few details here, floating vanity with this countertop, very seamless countertop integrated into the sink, on-scroll sandware throughout this entire apartment. Beautiful finishes here, highest quality of finishes. One detail which I absolutely love about this bathroom is this suspended contemporary rainwater shower head. I love the positioning of it. And then lastly, of course, with the soft close water closet. Back to the landing and showing you guys the main bedroom of this home. This is the highest bedroom in Cape Town. So just as you open the door, plenty of natural lighting just piercing in the space, largely due to this picture window that you have here. Very large window. It allows that natural lighting to just pour into the space, and you have a little bit of a view that you have, just ocean views in front of us. Then looking at this bathroom here, this is an ensuite bathroom here, slightly larger than the bathroom that we've just seen. Double sink here, again with this very seamless integrated surfaces here. I love it when the countertop is integrated within the sink. It creates this seamless feel and a very minimalist and neat look to the countertop. Large mirror in front of us, and as you guys come this side, very large walk-in shower, beautiful color palette throughout. It promotes that relaxation as it has these nude colors. As you come into the bathroom, it's a space where you can feel sort of at ease, have greenery around here just for that timeless feel. And then behind us, just to bring in a natural lighting to this space, we have these catchment windows in front of us. Very stunning. You're so high here that the only thing that you can see from here is the mountain range and sky. No neighbors around here. So coming back towards you guys and looking at the main space of this room, this is an incredible setup here. As you're waking up here, I love the fact that you have these floor to ceiling aluminium large sliding doors. As you're waking up here and you sort of look up, your views are incredible really. You have mountain views, city views, and you also have ocean views. This the sort of the closest bedroom that we've seen is the 65 million rand villa that we showcased a couple of years ago in Camps Bay, but this is sort of a different type of level where you have 180-degree views, floor to ceiling windows, and it's just breathtaking. I don't know what else to say, Neil.
Yeah, like these are the best views that we've seen, especially in the city. And for once, we're not looking at just the ocean, so it makes it so much more interesting as well, seeing the cars and people around as well.
It's a very dynamic one.
Exactly.
And then just looking some of the details here, you have the screen here, timber screen here. Love the use of timber just to warm up the space. High quality furnishing, 2 side tables which are the continuation of that timber material here, just tying in with that screen. And then as you look this side, plenty of cabinetry space with this minimalist look, as well as what I've said in the previous room, you can control your air conditioning units. And then coming towards you guys, the separation between the indoor and outdoor is seamless, as these doors do lead you to the outdoor space. This is outdoor and indoor living to its best. And just sort of finishing off this tour, this was a one-of-a-kind penthouse. This is nothing like you'll see. This is the highest penthouse in Cape Town. So waking up here, no one else can see you. Very exclusive. But if you did make it this far, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you want more information regarding this penthouse, feel free to email us. I'll drop our email address down in the description. more than happy to help. And if you are looking for maybe a studio apartment, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, or 3 bedroom in this development, feel free to email us as well. From myself at letspropin, to you guys, see you next week.